Hi everyone, I'm Yi. My topic today is testing best practice for Angular app. First, let's start with unit tests. Mainly we have three kinds of async tasks. The first one is promise. And the second one is timer, like set timeout and set interval. The third one is etc. Promise is the most common async task. And even some other async tasks like timer or etc. might also be promise-based. In Angular, we provide the async helper, which can automatically wait for all the tasks inside Angular zone. The good news is we have async await right now, and it was supported in TypeScript. It does provide the functionality of promise chain with cleaner syntax. The next thing is timer. Probably we can use the same way to test timer. Say we use async wait, we use when stable. But one problem is if we test like this, we have to wait the timer to be triggered. Say we have to wait maybe extra 2 seconds or something like that. So in Angular, we provide a helper called fakeAsync. Everything is synchronous in fakeAsync zone, and it's mainly used for testing timers. And it will be faster, and we have more precise time control. The last thing is etc. Angular provides a helper called HTTP testing controller. We can use that, so when our test can set actual HTTP request, and it will be intercepted by the testing controller with a mock response. To summarize, for promise, we prefer use async await. For timer, we'd like to use fakeAsync. For testing etc., we prefer using HTTP testing controller. Okay, then let's talk about end-to-end test. In Angular, we have an end-to-end test framework called Protractor. One thing we need to realize is all the WebDriver calls are async in Protractor. So promise chains are not feasible. Why? If we do that, we will have a really, really long promise chain, right? So previously, we have a mechanism called control flow. It will queue all of the pending promises and run them sequentially. Since we already have async await, and it can solve the problem of promise chain, and it's easy to debug, we should start to move to async await. Just one thing to keep in mind, we cannot mix async await and the control flow at the same time. So to use async await, the first thing we need to do is debug control flow, disable control flow. Angular CLI provides good support for testing, and we have lots of helpers for different testing scenarios. So let's start to write tests and make our life happier.